Welcome back. Today, we're diving into foods that are unexpectedly rich in protein, making them powerful allies in a balanced diet. If you're looking to boost muscle, stay full longer, or just add variety, these protein-packed foods have you covered. Be sure to like and subscribe for more nutritional tips and insights on optimizing your health journey. 1. Edamame. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a fantastic plant-based protein source that often surprises people with its protein content. With approximately 18 grams of protein per cup, edamame offers all 9 essential amino acids, qualifying it as a complete protein. This makes it an excellent option for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to boost plant-based protein intake. Edamame is not only high in protein, but also a good source of fiber, helping to regulate digestion and maintain steady energy levels. You can enjoy edamame as a simple snack, add it to salads, or toss it into stir-fries for a boost in both protein and texture. The subtle nutty flavor of edamame makes it easy to incorporate into various dishes, appealing to a wide range of taste preferences. 2. Cottage cheese. Often seen as a low-calorie option, cottage cheese is actually packed with protein, delivering about 28 grams per cup. Made primarily of casein protein, it digests slowly, making it perfect for those who need sustained energy throughout the day. Cottage cheese is also rich in calcium, which is essential for bone health, and vitamin B12, which supports red blood cell production. It can be enjoyed as a snack on its own, or you can mix it with fruit for a touch of sweetness. You can even use it as a creamy base for savory dishes like dips or pasta sauces. The versatility of cottage cheese makes it a favorite among athletes and health-conscious individuals alike. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent protein-rich option, offering around 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. Its thick, creamy texture is achieved by straining out excess whey, which concentrates the protein while reducing the sugar content. Greek yogurt is not only rich in protein, but also contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health and can improve digestion and immunity. This yogurt pairs well with fruits, nuts, or honey for a delicious, nutrient-dense snack, and it can also be used as a substitute for sour cream in recipes. The calcium in Greek yogurt promotes strong bones, while the protein content supports muscle repair and growth, making it a favorite among athletes and those aiming to stay fit. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a unique plant-based protein source, as it contains all 9 essential amino acids, offering about 8 grams of protein per cooked cup. Known as a complete protein, quinoa is popular among vegetarians and vegans looking for high-quality plant-based protein. Its nutty flavor and chewy texture make it an excellent base for salads, grain bowls, or side dishes, adding nutrition and depth to any meal. In addition to protein, quinoa is high in fiber, iron, and magnesium, supporting heart health, energy levels, and muscle function. This ancient grain is naturally gluten-free, making it an ideal choice for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, pack a surprising amount of protein at around 9 grams per ounce. They're not just protein-rich, they're also loaded with essential nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that support everything from muscle recovery to immune function. Pumpkin seeds are versatile and can be enjoyed as a quick snack, tossed on top of salads, blended into smoothies, or used as a crunchy addition to yogurt. Their high protein and fat content make them a filling snack, which can help to reduce hunger and aid in weight management. Pumpkin seeds are also packed with antioxidants, which protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. 6. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are a staple in many cuisines and an excellent source of protein, with around 15 grams per cup. They're especially popular in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean dishes like hummus, salads, and stews. Chickpeas offer a rich, creamy texture and a mild, nutty flavor, making them a versatile and satisfying addition to meals. They are also high in fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable. For those following a plant-based diet, Chickpeas are a valuable source of protein that's both affordable and accessible. Additionally, they contain iron, supporting energy levels, and folate, which is essential for cell production and heart health. 7. Lentils. Lentils are another legume that is rich in protein, providing around 18 grams per cooked cup. They are a staple food in many cultures, prized for their versatility and affordability. Lentils come in various colors, including green, red, and black, each with unique flavors and cooking times, which makes them adaptable to a wide range of recipes. In addition to protein, lentils are packed with fiber, iron, and B vitamins, supporting digestive health, energy levels, and brain function. They are also low in calories and fat, making them a great option for weight management. Lentils are incredibly filling and can be used in soups, stews, salads, or as a side dish. 8. Peas. Peas might seem simple, but they pack a solid amount of protein with around 8 grams per cup. These little green vegetables are also high in fiber and essential vitamins like A, C, and K, supporting immunity, vision, and bone health. Peas are incredibly versatile and can be added to soups, stir-fries, pasta, and more, making them a quick and easy way to increase protein in any meal. Their mild flavor and tender texture make them suitable for all ages, especially for children who may be picky eaters. Peas are a great addition for anyone looking to increase protein intake in a low-calorie, low-fat form. 9. Almonds. Almonds are a convenient, high-protein snack with about 6 grams of protein per ounce. They're packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Almonds are also a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that benefits skin health, and magnesium, which aids muscle and nerve function. They make a quick, satisfying snack on their own, or they can be added to salads, smoothies, or yogurt for extra protein and crunch. Almonds are also high in fiber, which helps with digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making them ideal for weight management. For active individuals, almonds provide a good mix of protein, fats, and nutrients to support energy and recovery. Their portability and nutrient density make almonds a great snack to have on hand. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is often known for its vitamin and fiber content, but it also provides a surprising amount of protein, with about 4 grams per cup. This green vegetable is packed with nutrients, including vitamin C and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants, all of which support overall health and immunity. Broccoli can be steamed, roasted, or sautéed, making it a versatile addition to a variety of meals. It's also low in calories, which makes it a good option for those looking to manage weight. The protein in broccoli may be less concentrated than in other foods, but it still contributes to your daily intake, especially when combined with other high-protein sources. Broccoli's high fiber content aids digestion, and its antioxidants play a role in reducing inflammation. Including broccoli in your diet is an easy way to add both nutrition and protein without excess calories. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you discovered some new high-protein foods to add to your meal plan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more healthy eating tips and food insights. See you in the next video, where we continue our journey to a healthier lifestyle.